Selection, romance, heartwarming, or emotional love story, mystery, suspenseful, and thrilling, inspirational about life lessons and personal growth, romance, letters from the lighthouse. Every summer, Emma visited the small coastal town where her grandmother lived. The air smelled of salt and sunlight, and from her window she could see the old lighthouse standing tall against the sea. One morning, while exploring the rocky shore, she found a glass bottle washed up by the waves. Inside was a letter written in neat cursive. To whoever finds this, I'm Thomas, the lighthouse keeper. Sometimes the sea feels too wide for one heart to hold. If you read this, write me back. Emma laughed softly, thinking it was just an old message from years ago. Still, she replied, "Keeping the note in another bottle and throwing it back to the sea." Weeks passed and she forgot about it until one morning another bottle arrived. They exchanged letters every few days. He wrote about his quiet nights in the lighthouse, the storms, and the stars. She told him about her city life, her art, and her longing for peace. When summer ended, Emma went to the lighthouse. There, she found an old man smiling gently. "Waiting," he said. He handed her a final letter, written decades ago. The real Thomas had died long ago, but his grandson, also named Thomas, had found the letters Emma sent and continued the tradition. Sometimes love doesn't start where you expect. It begins with words floating across the waves. Mystery. The man in apartment 4B. Mila had lived in her apartment building for 5 years, and every night she heard piano music coming from the floor above, the apartment 4B. No one had ever seen the man who played it. The landlord said the tenant paid in cash and prepared not to be disturbed. One stormy night, they up. They sat the fire filled the hall. Out of curiosity and worry, Mila knocked on the door of 4B. No answer, but the door was slightly open. Inside, the apartment was filled with sheet music, hundreds of pages scattered everywhere. In the center stood an old grand piano, and a photo of a man with a woman smiling beside it. Suddenly, Mila noticed something strange. Every piece of music had names written in corner. She stepped back and stopped. A low whisper came from behind her. Come back to me. Mila turned around. But not there. Only the piano and the sound of a single page being pressed. From that night on, the music started again, but now it only played when Mila was home. Inspirational. The last notebook. Mila was a teacher who loved writing notes of encouragement to his students. Every year, he gave them small notebooks filled with quotes and blank pages to write their dreams. They with silence, like his purpose ended. One rainy afternoon, a young woman knocked on his door. She said, holding a worn notebook, you gave this to me when I was 10. I was going through a hard time then, but your words made me believe in myself. I'm a teacher now because of you. This road is the eyes. Handed him a new notebook. Time to write again, he said. That night, Daniel opened it and began writing once more. Not for others this time, but for himself. Purpose never retires. It only changes form. Thank you for listening.